Hi, today we are making a project named as LED blinking. So what exactly is this? So we have connected an LED directly to the Arduino as we can see on the screen. And what are the functions of this is we can use this as a street light, like we can switch that on from this time to this time and switch it off to certain time. So these are the functions of this project. And now let us see what are the things we need. It is very simple project, so that we need is only three things, that is Arduino and an LED light and a connector. This connector will be using to transfer code from our PC to the Arduino. So now let's start. So here in the Arduino, as we can see, there are many pins, like starting from 0 to 13, and the last pin is GND. So now all the pins has different functions. Now we need is 13 pin. Why? Because 13th is the pin 13 here is a power pin. So for this we will connect the bigger line of the LED. Why bigger? One big line here is positive and the smaller one is negative, so that the positive energy to be sent through the 13 and GND means negative. That is GND means ground pin, where the electricity which is in negative form will be passing through that. Now as we can see that one pin has been connected to 13 and another have connected to GND. So this is, now we are ready to go. Now we'll leave the Arduino and we'll connect this connector to the Arduino, and after connecting it we will connect it to the laptop. So as we can see that after getting charged, it is started working. So let us see how exactly we need to code it to work. So this is the code which we'll be having in Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE 2.3.7 is the version which I am using now, and this is the code which we'll be sending to the Arduino Uno. So now what are the things in the code is input, void setup and void loop. So what exactly is int LED pin equal to 13? So int means input. That means we are telling the Arduino that we have connected the LED to the 13th pin of the board, as we have seen in the video. Now next we have is void setup. So void setup is nothing but we are telling the Arduino to where, after getting the input, from where and how to give the output for us. So that is what we'll be telling to the Arduino. And next we have is void loop. So here the thing is, we don't want it to just work once and just stop it there. We want it to be repeating, right? That is known as loop, which we have studied in the past videos. So now in the loop is digital write and delay. Delay is used to mention the timings of the LED or whatever we are connected to the Arduino, and the digital pin LED pin equal to low and high. So as we can see, there is high and there is low here. What exactly it means? High means the LED has to be turned on, and low means the LED has to be turned off. So that is how the high and the low will work. And now in the delay, Arduino will always understand the timing in milliseconds. So now I have told it 10,000 milliseconds. That means it is equal to 10 seconds. And we have delayed the low pin. That means we have turned off the LED for 5,000 milliseconds. That is 5 seconds. So now this is how our code will be working. So thinking of these brackets are necessary because this is where we'll be starting our code and this is where we'll be ending our code. Code is nothing but the command. So here we have one command for output and we have one command for loop and we have input value here. So this is how we'll be writing the code. After writing the code, we'll move to the top left column here where we'll be having to select the board, and in this I have only inserted only one Arduino so that it is a serial port COM6. So we'll select this one and here we will search Arduino Uno. So we are using Arduino Uno, we'll select it and we'll just click on OK. Now we can see that it is saying Arduino Uno is connected and from the COM6. After this, we'll verify our code once on the top left corner of the screen. So after clicking on this right block, it says no error. That means our code is ready to use and it has no error in it. So after that, make sure your Arduino is connected properly and once press the boot button on the Arduino before uploading the code. After verifying it, we'll upload. We'll just click on upload and it will compile and upload all by itself. After that, we'll get a message like done uploading. Then our project is ready to use. Let's see how it is working. Yeah, so as we can see that I have taken the power from my computer and we'll just keep it connected so that Arduino will be getting powered. In case if I remove this, it will turn off. So this is not getting a power, so it is not working now. So when I connect it again, we can see that there is on here. So if this light is on, that means the Arduino is getting powered. So now as I have connected and we can see that the light is switching off for 5 seconds and again it turns on for 10 seconds. So we have successfully made our project, that is blinking LED blinking, or you can say blinking LED, anything. Why it is useful is, as I have told in the starting part of the video, that we can use this as a street light or anywhere where the light is needed only for certain period of time. So that is where we can use this. So this is how we make this project, and that's it for today, and see you in the next video, Future Robot Builders.